Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Moin. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about figures of speech. Now as you can see, this is an important topic in English grammar. Speech, so to speak, means the words we pronounce, the conversations we have, and figures of speech. Now figures, these are shapes. Now the shape of the way we speak. For example, let me tell you, simile, metaphor, personification, oxymoron. These are all kinds of figures of speech. They portray or they reflect an image in your mind. So that's what figures of speech means in general terms. Now, without further ado, let's move on to the first topic, that is simile. A simile is a comparison between two objects of dissimilar kind which have at least one thing in common. For example, you must have heard the phrase as cold as ice, as brave as a lion. These are all similes because they compare. See, for example, let's take an example. He was as brave as a lion in the battlefield, right? So the soldier, so to speak, is he, the subject, and lion, it is different. So these are two different things, different kinds, and these are being compared to because lion has a quality that is braveness, and the boy, he is a human, and he has the quality of the lion, that is braveness. It denotes his braveness. So this is the comparison between two dissimilar objects which have at least one quality in common. So I hope you have got it. Now let me explain with some common examples. For example, he was as cool as a cucumber. So these are the some examples you can take. Now moving on to the next, metaphor. Metaphor is an implied simile. It is no different from simile. But the difference is lies here. Let me make it clear. Metaphor is an implied simile, but which takes comparison as a granted. For example, when we speak, he was as brave as a lion in the battlefield. This is a simile, and he was a lion in the battlefield. This is a metaphor because there is a direct comparison between two of dissimilar objects, and that is what makes it unique, and that is what implied simile metaphor is, right? Let's take some examples. Now you must have been to a desert, you must have seen these documentaries and all stuff. So the camel is the sheep of the desert, right? It's not like it's literally a sheep. It's not like that. It's like the camel can walk swiftly even in the sands because it's the sheep of the desert, right? Now if we take another example, he was a lion in the battlefield. So he was not literally a lion. He was a lion, which means the quality is being compared. He was a lion. He was brave in the battlefield. He feared nothing. He was fearless. Now moving on the third one, that is personification. Yeah, I know you all of you know about this. Most of you know that is personification is used in a poem, but not only in poem, it is also used in prose. Personification now is the addressing an inanimate object. That is, for example, let's say like the very well known poem, I forgot the title of the poem, but it was roll, O thou deep and darkest ocean, roll. So this is the personification of the context. You are addressing an inanimate object, that is the sea. The sun is sucking my soul. Now it's like it's very hot out there, but we are personifying the sun. So that's what personification is. It is given, for example, let's say like giving human qualities to inanimate objects. That is the purpose of personification. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe it and get notified with the latest video. Thank you.